Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Sherry. Today I'm going to show you how to make the crispy chicken with basil sauce. First, I'm going to prepare the protein first. For the chicken, I use the chicken breast. I use 1.5 pounds. I'm going to cut them to the bite size. Okay. I'm not going to cut them too thin because the chicken breast is very quick and easy to cook. Alright, gonna cut them to about the 1 inch. Okay, so I done cutting the chicken. I cut them about this size, this big. Okay, and now I'm going to marinate the chicken. Okay, and I just going to give them very simple marinade, only few ingredients. So I'm gonna use the half teaspoon salt, and then the half teaspoon white pepper. Okay, and I'm going to use 1 egg. Okay, and then I'm going to give them the good mix. Just mix everything together. For this recipe today, I just want to try something new because normal when you order pad kapow, even in Thailand or over here, they just give you the option of all the meat. But normal they not fry them. They just just the meat. Even seafood or beef or pork or chicken, you order. But this one today I will try something different. I will deep fry them before I put the pad kapow sauce. Alright, so now our protein is done. So I just gonna set it on the side. Next we're gonna pep our sauce and pep our vegetable. So let's pep the sauce first. We pep the protein first, so the protein have the chance to give a marinade, give a chance for the egg. It make the chicken come to be moist and juicy. So now we're gonna make the sauce first. So I'm going to use the 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. Okay, this is gonna be very simple and easy for the sauce too, like you usually do the pad kapow. Okay, I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. Okay. I forget I said 2 tablespoons, but okay. And next I'm gonna use a black soy sauce. Okay, I'm gonna use the 1 tablespoon black soy sauce. And next I'm gonna use the 2 tablespoons the seasoning soy sauce. 2 tablespoons. Okay, and next I'm going to use the 2 tablespoons fish sauce. Okay. Okay, and this all the salt in it go in next. I'm going to balance all the salt in it with the sugar. I use 1.5 teaspoon sugar. 1.5 teaspoon. And next I'm going to use the cornstarch. I'm going to use the 2 teaspoon cornstarch. Okay, go in cornstarch. Okay, and the last ingredient for the sauce are gonna be 1/4 cups water. Okay, just mix everything well and then set it on the side. And next we're going to prep our vegetable. Alright, so next I'm going to pound our chili and garlic. I use 4 cloves garlic and I use 3 Thai chili. Okay, for the spicy, if you cannot be handled with spicy, just cut it down the chili, or if you like more spicy, you just put it more. You can control your spicy. It's all up to you. Okay, the chili like to jump into your eye. If you use you can chop them very small, but it will be open up more flavor when you use a pestle and mortar. But be careful if you use the pestle and mortar. Sometimes when you pound them, the chili, especially if with the chili, they only like to jump into your eye. We just like to use the hand to cover and not try to look at them too much. Okay, now our chili and garlic done. Okay, I just try to break them to the small pieces and open up all the flavor. So I not really pound them until they turn to be paste or something. Alright, so now I'm going to remove the chili and garlic, set on the side, and we move on to our Thai basil. Okay, next I'm going to use the 1 cup of the Thai basil. Okay, just going to pick them. Okay, just going to use them 1 cup. You can use if they have a flower, you can use the flower too. It just give you a flavor. This basil, it comes from my garden. I think I always telling you every time when I make the ingredient or recipe with the basil, but I just so happy that I have them on the backyard because they're not scared of the summer. They're coming more and more and more, so I have a bunch of the Thai basil. Okay, and normal when I do the stir fry with the Thai basil, I just use the whole leaf, but this time I'm going to chop them up a little bit, make them a little bit small. But if you basil it's already small, you don't have to do this, but this basil kind of, the leaf is big, so I'm going to chop them up a little bit. Okay, it's like a big handful, it's about 1 cup. Okay, I not need to chop them very small. I just want to cut them a little bit so they not be too big. Wow, then when you chop them, the basil, they open up more fragrant, more like smell really good. Okay, so I'm just going to put the basil in the cup, and now we can go to the next step. Okay, and next I'm going to use the 3/4 cup the all-purpose flour. Okay, 3/4 cup going, and 1/4 cup cornstarch. Okay, I'm just going to mix them. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the stove so we can deep fry. I'm just going to bread them, put the chicken inside the flour, and then the deep fry. Okay, I'm gonna do like half at a time. And now I just check my oil, they're already hot enough, so I'm going to start to deep fry. Okay, I just put my hand off dirty. I'm just going to do like about half at the time. Okay, just put all the chicken in here. Okay, yeah, because I think I'm not gonna be able to deep fry everything in one pan. Okay, because more than that. Okay, after your flour cover all the chicken and the egg, it's just like this. Okay, I'm going to start to deep fry them. Okay, have to go quick. Okay, and they will take about 3 to 4 minutes, depend how thick that you cut the chicken. Okay. Okay, it take me 4 minutes to fry this chicken, and you can see the flour changing color to the light brown. Okay, and I'm going to put this on the side. Okay, and now I'm going to finish our deep fry the chicken, and we can come back for the next step. Okay, this is the last batch I fry. Okay, so take me 3 times, actually not 2 times, to finish frying all the chicken. Okay. Okay. Alright, so and now we are going to set the chicken on the side. Okay, and the last part of this recipe to put everything together. So in the pan, I changing the cooking pan, so I just going to add 2 tablespoons the cooking oil. Alright, so not have to wait until the oil hot. You can just add the chili and garlic right away when you just fry. But my pan is already hot. If you can hear the sound. Okay, and I want all the chili and garlic. So okay, and I'm going to give the chili and garlic mix and cook them until the they really have a good smell. The chili and garlic changing the color. Okay. Okay, and just a few seconds, not take you long at all, because the chili and garlic is cooked very fast. So now I'm going to add the sauce that we just made earlier. But before you put the sauce, you make sure you mix them first. Okay, and now I'm gonna pour the sauce inside the pan. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna bring up the heat, high heat. Okay, and we're going to cook the sauce until it's thick, until the sauce and everything mixed well and changing the color and become thicker. Okay, just take a minute. Now the sauce changing the color and become thicker. So now I'm going to add our Thai basil. All Thai basil going. Okay, I give them the good mix. The Thai basil it smells really good. When you chop them up, they even open up more the flavor. Okay, and now when the Thai basil cook and mix well together with the sauce already, time to add the chicken. I hope my pan is not too small. I'm going to add all the chicken. I'm going to lower the heat down. Okay, and don't forget to taste your sauce too. If you might need more salty or sweet, you can add it on this time. Mine is already good. Okay. I should use a bigger wok, I think, but it's okay. So now I just have to mix all the sauce. Now the heat is still low because I still want the heat for the sauce. Okay, so I turn it low and try to mix all the chicken and the sauce. Try to make them cover all the sauce. Can't wait, I cannot wait. It smells really good. I know you want some too right now. Okay, here now we're done. Oh my god, look at this. All the sauce and all the chicken, crispy chicken, and covered with all the Thai basil, chili, and garlic sauce. I cannot wait to put on top of jasmine rice. Okay, and then now time for me that I'm waiting for. So I have to eat this dish with the fried egg. So I just look at it, egg yolk. I just have to eat with the Thai fried egg. So I turning around and cook one egg. Okay, so oh my god, a little egg, rice, and one piece of chicken. It will be so good. A little bit salty, but when you eat everything together, rice and egg, they're so good. But if you eat by themselves, the chicken, it's gonna be like little bit salty. So you better with rice or veggie or fried egg. I can't wait. I want to eat again and again, and also the cameraman, he can't wait for eat this already. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this recipe. If you like them, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.